Well, hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, thank you for stopping by. Today's video is a Kirkland's dupe. I found these really cute butterfly prints on their website, and y'all, they were charging $149 for these pictures, and I'm gonna make them for less than $5. I bought two of these signs with the arrows on them at the Dollar Tree, of course. And when I finally get them out of the plastic packaging, which I made much more difficult than it really was, I'm going to set aside these metal pieces. I'm going to use my Waverly cashew paint, and I'm going to paint the top of this sign. I'm going to go ahead and paint my next sign, and then I'm going to leave them both to dry overnight. Next, I'm going to go through my cardstock and pick out a piece that I think closely matches the background that's on the dupe piece from Kirkland's. So this is what I've chosen, and I'm going to go ahead and measure it, and then I'm going to cut it out to fit. The 112 by 12 inch piece that I used isn't long enough to cover the whole sign, so I need to take the second piece and cut out just enough to cover the bottom of the sign. Now, instead of using hot glue to put the cardstock on the sign, because I didn't want it to be bumpy, I wanted it to be smooth, I'm going to use this double-sided tape that I picked up at Walmart. And now it's time to use these beautiful 3D butterflies that I found at the Dollar Tree. They have a piece of sticky tape on the back, so all you have to do is figure out where you want to place each butterfly and attach it. For the hanger, I decided to use this piece of yarn. I really have no idea why I'm measuring it right here, just to be extra, I guess. Now, I know I said these butterflies are 3D, and they are, but once I started looking at them, the top part that wasn't attached, well, it just kind of wiggles around a little bit. It's kind of jumpy, and I decided I didn't like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of hot glue, and I'm going to attach the top part of the butterfly to the bottom part. Now I'm going to attach this piece of yarn that I decided to use for the hanger, and see what I mean? It doesn't matter how long it is, so I was just being extra. And here are both the pictures finished. Now, what I didn't show you is I don't like the brown frame that's in the Kirkland's picture. So I took some nautical rope from Dollar Tree and framed my pictures with them. It's lighter and it doesn't exactly match the dupe, but I like it much better. So tell me what you think. I know it's not an exact match, but I think I got pretty close. I decided I liked the butterflies so much that I would take this picture I've had for years and do a little repurposing. Let me show you what I did. I took this apple barrel paint in khaki and then also the antique white, and I just painted over the picture, just swirled it around until I liked it and let it dry overnight. This is a different set of butterfly stickers from the Dollar Tree. These are not 3D, these are just flat, but I really liked them. I thought they were really pretty. So I decided I would use these on the repurposed picture that I created just a little while ago. I'm just going to decide which butterfly I want to use and randomly place them all over the canvas until it's complete the way I like it. Once I have all the butterflies in place where I want them, I use the Mod Podge, and I'm showing you that it is matte this time. And here is the finished picture. I really like it, and I hope you like it too. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Well guys, until next time, be blessed, be kind, but most of all, be crafty.